I'm here in Martinez on Shell and Martinez Ave at the Loaded Chicken truck. They come out like every Wednesday. Let's go check it out. All right, y'all, so here's the menu. All right, and so I think I'm gonna go with the loaded box. It comes with the loaded chicken sandwich and loaded fries. All right, y'all, here it goes. Uh-oh. This is it, y'all. Can you get that, Lauren? This is the loaded chicken sandwich meal. I'm gonna open it up and let y'all know how it tastes. Y'all, this is it. Look at it, they got it loaded with, I can't even tell you what's all on. I see cilantro cheese, some special sauce. Look at that. All right. About to dig in. No, this is crazy. This is sitting in the car about to try this stuff. All right. First bite. Y'all, it's good. Just like crispy chicken, diced up over fries with a spicy special sauce. The cilantro cheese is good. This will go. Now, as far as the sandwich, the sandwich tastes basically like the fries, except for its sandwich form. It's really good, some good flavor. The sauce tastes kind of like a not the sauce that what is that doggone sauce? I don't know. It's good though, y'all. Again, that's the Loaded Chicken. You can find them on Instagram, Facebook, and Yelp. So, it's a go, y'all. If y'all see their little truck, hit them up.